Hey guys, it's Stephanie with Living Well Properties, and I have a treat for you today. I'm out here in Sandbrock Ranch, and guess what? The model home for Perry Homes is available for purchase. So I know this home will not last long. So if you're like me and you've always wanted to purchase a model home, you have to come check this out. So let's go walk through and enjoy your tour. So here is the front of the model home that is available for purchase in Sandbrock Ranch. It is absolutely beautiful. This home features 4-bed, 3.5 bath, and it's just over 2,900 square feet. So let's pan around here so you can see exactly where it is in the community. It's actually across the street from the new tree house that they're building, and the amenity center is just beyond that. Welcome back, guys. That concludes our tour of this beautiful Perry model home that's available for purchase right away in Sandbrock Ranch. If you want any more information or details about this specific property or any others, please feel free to contact me.